Hey guys, welcome back to Drain Plug Shorts with E. Today we're going to learn how to lap a valve on the cheap.
On the cheap.
Let's get to it.
All right. What are we going to use?
No, there's these.
This is our 5.3 head, your brother's.
5.3.
We cleaned it all up for him.
We cleaned it all up
So
for
here you
him.
have the intake valve. Do some learning. See this edge right here? Between there and there? That's where it closes and touches right there. It's not very much, just a little bit of metal. So we want to put this valve in and we're going to spin it. We're going to make those two surfaces wear together so that they're the same. And the seal is good. As good as we can get on a cheap. These valves are getting kind of bad. There's not much left to them, and the seats are getting low too. All right, you ready?
Oh, you can pop it up from the back. That's
Yeah. So we're gonna put some of this stuff on here.
link in the description.
Of course. Valve grinding compound.
And
And what else is this thing?
this suction cup. Link in the
Suction.
description.
See this stuff? You want to peel it? Stick your finger out. Rub it together. It's kind of feels like there's sand in there.
It does.
It's kind of gritty.
Feels like that orange soap we use.
Oh yeah, it does.
Put that in the
It's kind of like sandpaper in there.
Yeah, it's kind of like
So
sand.
it'll grind a surface on there.
Yeah, it just grinds all the dirt and smudge off. Just like this.
So you want to put a good amount of that on.
Yeah, good.
It's real fun trying to do it on a camera. Alrighty, you want to put that in there? There you go. Easy, easy. Just push it all the way down, straight. Bonk. Hold still. So you take this, push on here really hard. You hear that grinding?
We don't want that.
Keep doing that till it's smooth. Turn it. You want to do some?
Yeah, sure.
You want to take a couple laps? Oh, did you hit your elbow?
Yeah.
Funny bone? Keep doing that. There you go. You want me to take a few more spins?
I like this. That looks
Sorry.
better. Not rocking. Gonna look real nice after.
Get a nice edge on it now.
Hmm?
And clean this crud off here. Yeah, we cleaned it all up.
It's clean
Better
and
line.
shiny on the left.
There. And then we do that to everyone.
That's gonna take a while.
Yep, we better get to it.
Bye.